You're probably wondering and seeing on the internet that how the content creator are creating all this awesome VFX in their video. And if you just started your content creation journey and wanted to add some cool VFX in your video, then today let's create this awesome face distortion VFX effect in After Effects and let's level up your video. So open your camera and start recording your video and start doing some acting like me. I'm good, right? Remember, do not move your head too much so tracking become harder in After Effects. And if you add some cool VFX in your video, just simple drag and drop, then check it out the Production Create website, link in the description, and sign it up. And I'm using their VFX in my video every time. So if you purchase their monthly subscription, I got some commission from their link. So check it out, their cool libraries, and use it. Then open After Effects, create a composition. My video is vertical, so I'm creating vertical composition. And the composition for you is totally depend on your recorded video. Then create two null objects for your video, one for eye and one for face. Then select the scene from where you want to track. Then click on the track motion and select the point where you want to track. And after that, press the arrow key and you can see it almost tracking the point. If the point goes off, you can adjust it. Then select the edit target and select the null object and hit OK. Then hit apply and OK. Then we need to track the eye. Same process, select the track point, edit it to eye null object and apply it. Meanwhile guys, if this video so far give value to you, then hit the like button and subscribe, so it helps the algorithm to spread up to the more people. Then after tracking, trim down the null layer where the tracking start and end, and then duplicate the original layer and right click, then go to the time and select the freeze frame option. Then trim down from where you want the effect. Then mask out the clean part from the face like shown in the screen. Then after masking, scale it up. Then select the duplicate layer and change the position towards the mouth of the face to the original layer. Adjust the mask so it cover up the face. Then parent and layer to the face null layer and let's see how is it looking. And it's looking very bad. I know. For this, increase the feathering of the mask and see it is looking good now. And then let's animate this by keyframing the mask path and animate it. And let's play it, and it's looking good now. And with the same method, duplicate the layer, select the mask in the eye and animate it. And then duplicate another one for the other eye and animate it. When it's done, let's see how is it looking. And it's looking great. And now we need to animate like this, right? So duplicate this video tool layer once again, increase the scale again, now animate the mask path as I'm showing on the screen. And after that, let's see how it is looking. And looking great. But one thing every video editor ignore, that one thing is practice. So if you practice, you get clean in your transition. And in this video here you can check out other tutorials which you can use in your video. Bye bye guys, see you next week.